Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming requirements. Check your Windows 7 edition and whether it is 32 or 64-bit, because driver choice matters. Once confirmed, download a reliable PDF printer installer like PDF Creator or Qt PDF. Run the installer as administrator. When prompted, select the option to install a virtual printer. Make sure to accept defaults for virtual port and basic options. This keeps setup simple. Then finish the install and reboot if the installer asks. Once the virtual PDF printer is installed, open Devices and Printers and locate the new device labeled PDF or the product name. You now configure output. Right-click the printer, choose Printing Preferences, and set paper size, DPI, and color options to match your needs. Next, set the output destination. Either prompt for a file name or define a default folder and auto-naming pattern. Make sure to test with a small file so you can adjust quality versus file size before broader use. Now you're ready to print. From any application, choose Print and pick the installed PDF printer, then confirm file name and folder. If the PDF doesn't appear, make sure the PDF printer is not hidden as a secondary device and that you have write permission to the output folder. If problems persist, restart the print spooler service or open Devices and Printers to remove and reinstall the driver. One key tip: run the installer as administrator to avoid permission-related failures when creating the virtual printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.